It is super easy to create a video within your PPT. The only thing you have to do is to search for PPT, click enter, and open the document to which you desire to put a video. Open it, move to the page that the video has to be in. For example, I'm gonna work with this page. Move to insert menu and you'll find here video. Click on it. There are two ways in which you can add video to your presentation. There's online and video on my PC. In this case, in your storage. I'll start with video on my PC. Click on it. And here there's I have already videos, but probably for you guys you have to search or move to the folder in which the video is in. Here, for example, I'm gonna open this first one. You click play, the video will start playing. And if you wish to resize it, you can resize as per your wishes. And if you want to move, just move it like a, a simple picture. It's super easy to do it. You can resize, move, increase the volume, and almost anything you can do in here. So the other way I will show you is by adding a video from online sources. For example, it asks me to put the URL of the video. I don't have any currently, so I'll go to YouTube. Okay, YouTube is open here. And for example, wow, I'll click on this. If you're trying to find ways to record your screen, I will simply move in here and click and press Ctrl C. After doing this, I'll move to the PPT and paste it there by pressing Ctrl V. Click insert and the video will be automatically added into your PPT and it's here. You can play it as long as you have internet in your computer, it will play. It might take some time if your internet is slow. If you're trying to find ways to record your screen to use on your, you can as well resize it. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys.